In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download My Common App. This app is a crucial tool for anyone applying to colleges. It streamlines the application process and helps you manage everything in one place. So, let's get started. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you should open the App Store. This is where you will find and download the Common App. The app is designed to help students navigate their college applications easily. It's essential for accessing all the features that will assist you in your application process. Next, in the search bar of the store, type Common App. This step is vital because it directs you to the application you need. As you type, you may see suggestions, but make sure to select the official app. This ensures that you download the correct application and not a lookalike, which could cause confusion later. Once you find the Common App, verify that the app is published by the Common Application. This is an important step that confirms you are getting the legitimate app. Checking the publisher can protect you from downloading unauthorized apps that may not function properly or could compromise your data. Now, tap Install if you are on an Android device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you will tap Get. This initiates the download process. It's a straightforward step, but it's important because it allows you to access the app on your device. Once the app finishes downloading, you'll be able to use it right away. If prompted, you may need to authenticate with your Google account if you are on Android. For iPhone or iPad users, you might need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This step is crucial for security reasons. It ensures that only you can download apps on your device, helping to keep your information safe. Now wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Be patient during this time. Once it's done, you will see the Common App icon on your home screen, ready for use. After that, tap Open to launch the app. This action will take you directly into the Common App interface. Here you will find the tools and resources you need to begin your college application journey. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you should feel comfortable navigating through it. Finally, sign in with your existing Common App account or create a new account to begin your college application. This step is essential because it connects you to your application progress and personalizes your experience. If you are new to the Common App, creating an account will help you access all the features, such as searching for colleges and tracking deadlines. The Common App is free to download and offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your college applications. You can search for colleges, complete applications, track deadlines, and request recommendations, all from your mobile device. Just keep in mind that transfer applications are only available through the Common App website, not the mobile app. With everything set up, you are now ready to tackle your college applications with confidence. Good luck!